Hey all, hope you all are fine. Today I'm going to show how to read JSON file in Talend. So the component I'm going to use is the file input JSON component. Here it is asking for property type schema read by API version file name and loop JSON for query. This is the important component that I will discuss. Okay, so first we need to read a file. So the sample file that I'm going to read is it's inside dataset data.json. So this is the file. For better visibility, what I will do, I will read it inside a data JSON pathfinder. Okay, so JSON is basically a key value pair. So, so when you will look at this file, so description is the key, and this inside the bracket is its value, which is under further classified as a key value pair. So title is the key, and this is a continuous US average temperature January December is its value. Similarly, data is the key and these are its values, but further inside it 189512 is a key and these are its values. So basically this is a nested dictionary. So okay, so as you can see this, in order to reach reach to any key, we can click here and it will show its path. So in order to access 1.68, you need to follow this path data dot that 189512 dot anomaly. Similarly, if you want to reach this value 551.45, we need to reach through data dot 191512 dot value. So similarly, this is the loop JSON query. We need to okay. So what we will do, just clear it out. We are only interested in value and anomaly. So in order to reach to value, we need to follow this part data dot this dot value. So what I will do, data dot data dot bracket star means it can read any value inside it, ranging from this to the last. Okay, and here we are gonna provide a schema. So let's me create a schema. Its first will be value, and second would be what it is, anomaly. Let me copy this. Okay, both will its type will be double, I think. Yeah, both are double. Data type, click on okay, and okay, we need to provide a query. So what it will search inside it, so it would be same as value and anomaly. Let me connect it with the log row component, and let's run our job to check whether the whatever we have written is correct or not. Okay, so it has successfully read the schema. What I will do, I will print it in form of table format and run it the job again. Okay, so here you can see that from this JSON query, it has been successfully read its value and printed it in form of table format. So it provides a better visibility as compared to this format. Okay, so hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly like and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.